Yes, as I film this, it is Monday the 2nd of November, and of course this weekend we had a rather haphazardly broadcast announcement of a new national kind of lockdown with more grey areas than a proverbial book, and loopholes and confusion reigns. So it's a very stressful time at the moment as it stands. I don't know whether my particular business can stay open or not, whether I'm going to have to close on Thursday or whether I can continue, and if I do have to close, what financial support might be available or not. Yeah, and to top it all off, I'm just back from taking little Luna to the vet. Over the last week she's become lame on her front left leg and is in quite a lot of pain with it. There's no inflammation, there's no swelling, there's no obvious sign of anything being wrong with it, but she's clearly in pain and she screams. And when she screams, it takes her ages to stop, which is horrible. So yeah, we've just been up the vet. The vet agrees that they can't find anything wrong particularly either, other than the fact that she is in pain and won't bear weight properly on it. So £4 to £6 later, and a week's worth of supply of Remedial, which is an anti-inflammatory and painkiller. Hopefully that will do the trick and sort her out again, but time will tell. But as always in times of stress, my go-to stress relief is cooking, and I've had a number of people mention to me that they would like more cooking. So I thought, you know what, why not? I don't profess to be the best cook in the world. You might like what I cook, you might not, I don't know, but certainly at the moment we can't go away in our caravan. So here you are in my tiny kitchen. I don't have the world's best kitchen in the world, and I don't have the best equipment in the world, but my thoughts was, I love to cook, and whether anybody else likes it or not, I don't know, but I can give it a go. And what I will be cooking are things that would be completely appropriate for transferring and cooking in the caravan as well. So yeah, that's that. So tonight, as I'm pushed for time due to being late home from the vet, and I'm absolutely starving today, I think that's stress hunger, I'm going to make a very, very simple tagliatelle. And when I say simple, there's 4 ingredients. So this is something that's really, really easy to take with you to the caravan, because all you need is tagliatelle, leeks, courgettes, 5 ingredients, I forgot to get one out of the fridge, soft cheese, and I always choose a garlic and herb soft cheese. And back in the day when I used to eat meat, I would put either bacon rashers or turkey rashers in with this as well. Today I found a new product. I will show you. Right, here we go. It's called This Isn't Bacon. Plant-based rashers. So it's a vegan alternative to bacon. As I say, I've not tried this before. I've got no idea what it's like. But without either the bacon or the turkey or whatever, it's a bit bland. Whereas this, I'm hoping, if it's nice, certainly raw bacon and stuff adds salt and a nice savoury punch to this really easy to cook meal. Yeah, we'll see what this is like today. Could be good, might not be. I've tried a number of vegan bacon alternatives and they've been rubbish. So I'm hoping this one exceeds my expectations, or at least meets them. That would be nice. So I'm going to start by putting the tagliatelle into some boiling water, and then we'll set to stir frying the rest of the ingredients and then mixing it all in. bacon rashers. They smell like bacon. Kind of tastes like bacon. There's a tough texture when it's raw. So I'll be intrigued to see what it's like. What I'm doing is I'm just wilting the leeks. Just for your information, I've put 2 leeks and 1 courgette in here. So just wilting those down, making them soft before I put those bacon rashers in. And all of this whilst the tagliatelle is boiling. I thought it's just a question of sitting or standing here, stirring, allowing nothing to burn for a while until everything is cooked through. And that's kind of therapeutic to me. I love that. The tagliatelle is nearly done. I don't know now whether I should have put those bacon strips in earlier or perhaps cut them smaller. I don't know. That's the thing with trying new things, isn't it? And certainly when you're trying replacement meat alternatives, of course it doesn't behave in the same way that the meat version would. So it's always a bit trial and error. I'm thinking when I do this again, I might put them in a bit earlier, but they're softening up whilst I'm stir frying here and breaking down a bit, which is interesting. Anyway, how are you guys? I hope you're alright. If you do want to see more cooking during the winter months when we're not going to be out in Frankie, not going to be travelling because there's lockdown measures and strange viruses floating around and it's cold and it's dark and all that stuff, so we won't be going away. So if you do want to see more of us in the kitchen, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below and let me know whether you do want to see, even if only one person wants to see it, then that's great. I will just talk to that one person because this is cheering me up a bit after a particularly stressful week. Yes. But this is such a simple meal to cook. It's very wholesome. The original concept I actually got years and years ago when I was on Weight Watchers, as every woman does at some point, Slimming World or Weight Watchers or some diet program or another. Don't bother nowadays. I care a bit less nowadays. But that recipe was with tagliatelle, courgettes, leeks, the turkey rashers, and a low-fat version of the soft cream cheese. Basically, I changed the low-fat version of the cream cheese to a full-fat version just because I prefer it. But if you are calorie counting or on one of these diet plans, this is a very low calorie meal. And it is really tasty.
nice, yeah.
So what's the verdict? Do you like it?
Yes. Delicious.
What would you give a score out of 10?
Let me just, I guess 100.
Out of 10. 10 being your most favourite thing in the world ever. 1 being your least favourite thing in the world ever. Where is this on the scale of 1 to 10?
10.
So this is as good as pizza, is it?
Yes.
Is this your favourite meal today?
Mm-hmm.
So there we have it, that's the verdict. Well, my son over here, it scores a 10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
And actually it's a pretty cool meal for kids because it is soft and easy to eat. It's warm and filling
And healthy.
it is very healthy actually,
Mm-hmm.
it is. And it's full of greens, which are really, really good for you.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, as I say, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know whether you want more of this sort of thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
The camera's there, babe.
Bye.